Why is tuple larger than a list in Python? Consider following problem in Python. This statement yield false and yields true. So far as I know, equals false, but what is an empty tuple? If we type, we get a true as return value. But why? Thanks.
This could be implementation dependent, and I think there is no direct reason for this. Python 3.x prohibits comparison between two different types altogether.
From the docs, the operators is equal to, happy smiley, and not equal compare the values of two objects. The objects need not have the same type. If both are numbers, they are converted to a common type. Otherwise, objects of different types always compare unequal and are ordered consistently but arbitrarily. You can control comparison behavior of objects of non-built-in types by defining a __cmp__ method or rich comparison methods like __gt__ described in section 3.4. This unusual definition of comparison was used to simplify the definition of operations like sorting and the in and not in operators. In the future, the comparison rules for objects of different types are likely to change. Which is true. In Python 3, this is a type error. Back to Python 2, the docs stress that this is an arbitrary but consistent ordering. In Python 2, unequal types are compared by their type name. So tuple is greater than list lexicographically.
This is a Python 2.x implementation detail as documented in built-in types comparisons. Python implementation detail: objects of different types except numbers are ordered by their type names. Objects of the same types that don't support proper comparison are ordered by their address. Therefore, any tuple compares greater than any list because tuple is greater than list. This no longer holds in Python 3 and has never held for other implementations of Python 2.x.
This is because Python 2.x uses the method __cmp__. Python 3.x won't use this method. You are using a Python version lower than 3.0. With Python version 3.x, there will be an exception. Type error, unordered types.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.